Hi everybody, welcome to the West Point branch of the Pamunkey Regional Library Embroidery Floss Bracelets program. Today we are going to make these bracelets out of embroidery floss. For those of you that didn't come pick your kit up at the branch, what I've done is I've cut a circle out of cardboard, I've put a hole in the middle, and I've cut 8 small little slits. And then I have tied a knot at one end, and this is 7 strands of embroidery floss. And we are going to it's about 2 feet long, approximately. And this is probably the most difficult part of this whole project, is getting the embroidery floss through the hole. There we go. Use some scissors to get that done. And we just pull all of those through. And then you're going to put one color at each, it's probably easier to see if it's this way, on each slit, and you should have one empty when you're finished. Okay, there we go. All right, so what you're going to do is you're going to count 1, 2, 3. And you're going to take that, and you're going to take the 3rd string and move it to the empty slit. Then you're going to take the empty slit and you're going to put that at the bottom. And once again, you're going to go 1, 2, 3, and put that at the bottom. And one more time, 2, 3. And you're going to do this over and over and over again until you get to your desired length. And this one I made quite a bit long, but this is what it looks like. And you just, when you're finished, take it all off. And I made this one about, well, I think technically about 2 inches or 1.5 inches longer than my wrist, or the person I'm making it for wrist. And tie another knot. Make sure it's nice and close up to where your weaving is. And how I finished mine off, you can do it a number of ways. You can just tie it together. I made a slip knot. I just made a circle and pulled the end through. And then I just pulled the knot down to the bottom. It might take a little bit of fiddling, or you can leave it halfway up, however you want to do it. With the slip knot, you can adjust it up and down, is why I did it that way, and leave some up. Alrighty, and so, okay. And then what I did is I just attached a charm to it, and that's it. And then cut it off so it looked neat and tidy. Alrighty, I hope you all enjoyed this program, and hopefully you will enjoy making one. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.